Hey, so I got a couple requests to do a video about a YouTube intro. If you have any more questions or you want to see any more videos, make sure you leave me a comment or tell me exactly what it is that you want to see, and I'll make sure to get that uploaded. So right now we're gonna start. I'm gonna start on the beginning of this video. You might have seen a YouTube intro that I created with Canva and kind of incorporated one that someone else had made for me into it as well. So I'm gonna jump right into showing you how to do this because I always want to try to keep these how-to videos quick and under 10 minutes, between 5 and 10 minutes. So here we go. First, you're gonna want to type in YouTube intro if you're looking for something quick that you can kind of just rebrand and put in your own colors. Um, your own colors and things of that nature. And so once you type that in, it'll be a ton of templates that pop up. So you can choose between either one of these and you can basically recreate what you want to with it. So it's like no limit to these. This is just something quick and you can always go back in and kind of, you know, brand them a little bit more. I'll start one from scratch right quick so you guys can see. But I mean, I always waste time trying to pick one, I guess. This is a free one. Any of the ones that you see with this, they are free. You have some that are pro as well. That you'll see. So this is one here. I redid this one and a couple other ones. So I'm gonna go back into my home tab and open it up so I can kind of show you what I did. And we can go from there. I'll recreate one from a new template. Once you learn how to like work this Canva, I'm telling you, it's like super, super easy. So this is the one that I recreated that you can see. Okay. So this is the one that was here, like the doggy one, as you can see. And I not kinda, I basically just redid the whole vibe of it. So even right here, like on different parts of it, you can change the colors. Like you can totally rebrand and recolor this to whatever you want. So I'm gonna change the font colors. Oh no. So that's basically it. I can even change like the little bells and notifications. You can change those too. The templates, let's do another one. Like I said, I would start and do a quick one for you. So you can see, you can even type in like the templates of the ones you want. want to use. Here's a quick one. Let's do this one. This is Pro. This is a Pro one that I'm using. No, not that one. So on the Pro, if you upgrade, you can use those. Like I said, some of those are like replace compass. I'm gonna add this as a new page and do like a completely new one. So on here, I'm gonna put my name. This is for someone who's like an author or something like that. I'm moving a little too fast. Anytime that is too big, you can always stretch the put new up. You can stretch the words or the letters. New uploads. Every week. You can put basically whatever you want in these things. You can change the background. It says attach video from background. So in this intro, it'll be like a video playing. You can change that too. Like, let me show you. You can upload your own videos, your own images, like basically whatever you want to put in your intro, you can do that. Like how you see other people creating different things and just putting them in there. So on here, I'm gonna put this as my background. I just put it. Uh, it's kind of tricky. So, well, not really, but it is. When you get it up there, you gotta go. So you can see how it puts mine in the back. And then I can also move these so you can see what's actually playing in my background. Or I can move this wherever I want. And I can also mute my background music and put a whole different song for the front, like the one that I had on my intro playing. And these are they're two different slides, but you basically get what I'm saying. You can add on as much as you want to your intro, make it quick, simple. You can delete that page, you can duplicate them. You can also make a copy, like if you wanted to make this video a little longer or add something else there, or even take this part off after playing this, or however you want to do it. There's like so many different options for it, and then you basically just download your video. You save it and download it and add it to however you create your YouTube videos, your tutorials, or whatever it may be. I'll do a video and an upload on how to start making tutorial videos and how to make not only tutorial videos, but like little coaching sessions or webinars, whatever the case may be. Like I said, if there's anything you want to see or you want to have me show you or do a quick tutorial video on, make sure you leave it in the comments or direct message me. Also, if you like this video or if it was useful to you, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss one. Thank you. See you next time.